Once upon a time, there was a wise and respected monk who lived in a small village. People from far and wide would visit him seeking guidance and wisdom. However, there was one particular person who doubted the monk's abilities and sought to test his wisdom. This person, let's call him Sam, decided to visit the monk and challenge him with difficult questions, hoping to expose any flaws in his knowledge. Sam approached the monk and began bombarding him with complex inquiries and philosophical puzzles. The monk, unfazed by Sam's attempts to undermine him, listened patiently and responded with simplicity and clarity. He answered each question in a way that resonated with Sam, leaving him amazed by the depth of wisdom contained within the monk's words. As time went on, Sam became a regular visitor to the monk, not to challenge him anymore, but to seek his guidance and learn from his teachings. The monk continued to offer his wisdom, always treating Sam with kindness, compassion, and respect. Gradually, Sam began to notice the profound impact the monk had on his life and the lives of others in the village. He observed how the monk approached every situation with equanimity, how he treated everyone with kindness and respect, regardless of their status or background. Intrigued by the monk's way of life, Sam asked him one day, "How do you command such respect and influence over others? How can I earn the same respect in my own life?" The monk smiled and replied, "Respect is not something that can be demanded or forced upon others. It is earned through one's actions, words, and intentions. If you wish to be respected, cultivate virtues such as humility, compassion, and integrity. Treat others with kindness and understanding, and always strive to uplift and inspire them. Live in alignment with your values, and people will naturally recognize and respect your authenticity." Sam pondered the monk's words and began to implement them in his own life. He started treating others with greater compassion, actively listening to their concerns, and offering help whenever possible. He practiced self-reflection and worked on improving his own character. Over time, Sam noticed a remarkable change in the way people perceived him. They began to respect and admire him for his genuine efforts to be a better person and for his willingness to support and uplift others. Through this story, we can learn that respect is not something that can be demanded or acquired through force. It is earned through our actions, the way we treat others, and our commitment to living a life of integrity and compassion. By embodying these qualities, we can inspire respect and create a positive impact on those around us.